Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about a personal loan that you guys can get. And the best part is that you guys can pre-qualify for this personal loan without a hard inquiry. So I know I told you guys previously about the One Main Financial and other personal loans you guys can get. So I just want to show you guys this website just in case you guys are looking into getting personal loans. Now, somebody said they was actually able to get this one, so they said it's not the best company, but it's not the worst. They was able to get $10,600 at 28% interest rate. They did pull their Experian. And just understand that it's going to depend on your credit and the debt that you already have when it comes down to you guys getting approved also. But I feel as if, everybody's situation is different. Check if you're looking to get a personal loan, you find out what they're going to tell you about your personal situation. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, here is their website right here. Now, again, you guys can get pre-qualified, pre-approved for this personal loan. You guys can borrow anywhere between $2,000 and $35,000. I'm not sure if they're going to ask for you guys to use any collateral, because I talked to you guys about One Main Financial and they ask for collateral. They ask that you tie in a car. If you own a car, they ask that you tie these different things in. But definitely check to see what they're going to ask for. But you can click right here to explore your options, check what options you have. And then also, if you guys get an offer in the mail, you guys, especially if you did like the factor trust give your information out to all the credit card companies and loan companies and insurance companies that give out offers in the mail. If you guys get an offer in the mail, then you guys can come here just to redeem your offer. But if you want to check what options you have, go ahead and click right here where it says check your options. Now, when you guys fill this out, understand that, again, checking your options is not going to affect your credit score, which means you're not going to get a hard inquiry until you actually accept the credit card. So if you can see right here, you have to put your first name in, your last name in, your address in with your city, state, and zip code. Is that a military address? Go ahead and check that. Rent or own. They want to know, do you own or do you rent? And then what's your monthly housing payment? They saying too, if you live with others, only include your portion of the monthly housing payment that you're responsible for. So I really like that section. So if you guys have roommates, or say if somebody else is paying part of the bill, then only include your portion, because again, the more that you're paying towards things like this, that means the less that they can actually approve you for it, because you already got monthly obligations, When did you start living at your current address? You go ahead and put that in. Go ahead and put the month in, and then put the year in. Go ahead and put your date of birth in, your phone number, your email address. They want you to create a password so that you can be able to log into your account. So go ahead and put your password in that you want, and then confirm your password. Put your social security number in. They want to know like what type of income you have. Are you employed? Are you self-employed? Are you getting permanent benefits, retirement, or other? Like what are you guys are getting, and any other temporary benefits too. So go ahead and click which one you have, and then asking what is your monthly net income. So that's after your expenses. So this is your take-home pay each month after all taxes and deductions, and it's going to be subject to verification. Alimony, child support, or separate maintenance income is optional to include also, you guys. But go ahead and put your monthly net income in. They want to ask you, like, what is your loan for? Is it for debt consolidation? You have an emergency expense, a life event, a car repair, home improvement, a move-in? Are you relocating? Is it for vacation? Hopefully it's not for vacation, you guys. Please don't let it be for vacation or other. So you can go ahead and choose what it is for. And how would you rate your credit? So if you guys know what your credit score is, go ahead and rate your credit. If your credit is like, I don't know, if your credit score is very, very low, just put not sure, because you technically could say not sure, because your credit score on Credit Karma is not like your actual credit score. So if you saying you're not sure because you don't know what your FICO is, you can just put that. But if you have like a promotional code or anything like that, go ahead and add it here. How did you hear about us? You could put Rickita if you want to. I read and understand all this information. Make sure you guys read all of this and then click right here to agree and check your loan options. Again, checking your loan options is not going to affect your credit score. Now, this is just one loan that you guys can get. There are so many other loans out there that you guys could possibly get. So I always tell people, check out the other personal loans. So on my previous website, you guys will be able to see like the personal loans. It's a list of them that I have here. So you guys can go with Lending Point. You guys can go with Best Egg. These are all personal loans. And again, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. This is what I'm talking to you guys about now in this video. Then we also have the Lending Club, Upgrade, Prosper, Happy Money, SoFi, all these different ones that you can go ahead and check out. And this is the last one I talked to you guys, which was that One Main Financial. They're going to pull 2 credit bureaus, and they're going to ask that you guys use some type of collateral, but definitely go ahead and check them out. And sometimes you guys may want to look deeper into like one of the personal loans. Maybe you guys are still going to my previous website, like the One Main Financial I did. You guys can go ahead and put the company right into my website too, Rickita.com, and you'll see that I have a review on the accounts that I talked to you guys about. So this is the One Main Financial. I made a video about the One Main Financial. You guys can check that out. You can apply right here. You guys have a free downloadable guide that you guys can get. Even if you got poor credit, you can still pre-qualify and actually get approved for this. There's not going to be an annual fee or anything like that because it's not an actual credit card. And then also too, you can see this is the card we're talking about. This is the not card, but this is the account we're talking about now. And then two other ones that's very similar to the One Main Financial. But hopefully you guys are able to get approved for the personal loans. Again, you guys can pre-qualify for these personal loans without a hard inquiry. I like that. Like, tell me yes or no on whether or not you're going to give me a personal loan without a hard inquiry. Please don't waste my time. Please don't waste my time. So definitely check these out. Now, if you guys are having like a hard time getting pre-approved or even getting credit cards or loans, definitely check out my new thing, my 60 points in 60 days. That's why I'm teaching you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. Now, I really like this because I don't care what situation you are in, there's ways that you can possibly increase your credit score. You just need to know it. So I had the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. And a lot of people, I had a group that started October 2022. A lot of people have seen a great increase, and we were only halfway through, so they've seen their credit score go up over the 60 points in 60 days. We got a lot of accounts deleted, bankruptcies, mortgages, medical bills, charge-offs, collections. We got a lot of these accounts removed because that's one of the things. You got to probably remove some of those accounts. So if you guys want me to actually hold your hand through the process, then definitely watch the 60 points in 60 days. I tell you everything that you have to do, and then I actually follow along with that process with you. I follow along to help you through that process and help you through the steps. But definitely check it out. And my next group is actually going to start January 2023. So if you're watching this late, definitely check to see when my next group after that is going to start, because my goal is to start it every 60 to 90 days where I'll start a new group, because after the 60 days, you guys, you can join again to try to increase your credit score even more, maybe redo some of the steps that you probably didn't do. Or we can try to redo those steps to just get you closer to your goals, because one of the things is utilization too. That's probably a thing that's going to take a little while for you guys to work on, but I could definitely help you through that process. But hopefully you guys get approved. If you get approved, definitely let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.